Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Utilita smart meter. Firstly, if you haven't already, you can book your smart meter installation through Utilita's Manage Your Install page. After installation, you'll receive a smart display to monitor your energy usage. Plug in the smart display using the provided micro USB power supply. Avoid using rechargeable batteries as they are not recommended for this device. Place the smart display close to your electricity meter to ensure a strong signal. Upon powering up, the display will attempt to connect to your smart meters, which may take up to 5 minutes. If the display shows lost network, try moving it closer to the electricity. Now, press the menu button on the home screen and navigate to Settings, then Wi-Fi, Network. Enable Wi-Fi and choose one of the following methods: List Networks, Manual, or Advanced. Utilita offers multiple ways to top up your energy balance. Buy My Utilita app, online, PayPoint or PayZone, or phone call. You can use it to view real-time balances and usage, top up your energy balance, and access monthly energy insights and tips to save energy. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.